Hey guys, LechK here. Welcome back to my sauna. Wanted to do a quick video on my ice plunge today. The winter is over. That means the luxury of having ice in your ice tub every morning is gone. Got my chiller back set up again, and I wanted to quickly talk about how to keep your water clean so you don't have to change it every week, right? The goal is to change the water every 3 to 4 weeks. You put in 80 gallons of water in here, you don't want to waste water. So got my ice chiller. I had a filter set up before I did videos on that. Canceled that. Unless you run it 24/7, filter gets dirty. And then there's additives you can put in. But a new thing I came up with now is actually an RV water filter. So these filters, this is just one of them. This is a 2-pack. I think it was like 30 bucks on Amazon, made in the US, so that's a nice touch. Filters went to junk, right? So basically, I feel like this becomes drinking water. So very easy setup, and you can reuse this multiple times. It's not one-time use. Obviously, you know, if you hook it up to an RV, it just sits there. For ice tub, we're just going to fill it up, you know, once a month or so. So we're just going to connect this to the hose. I already used this once. Water was really nice. Just screws right on. You see it has a little filter here, so no sediments get in there. And first time you use it, you want to run this for about a minute. A bunch of black carbon will come out. I don't have that issue now because I already ran it once. Still going to run a little bit because it's sat for about a month, so you know. That's what you set up. And now we fill up the tub, and you have crystal clear water, at least for the first week or so, right? Then we can start the additives. I'm not going to do the additives right from the start. Might as well enjoy the extra clean water for the first week. But then what I've been using recently now, really, because it's a great budget deal, this stuff right here. Now they're actually making for cold plungers, but it's the same thing as for sauna, what do you call it? Jacuzzis and all that. Probably a little bit of chemicals in this one as opposed to another one I used before that was pretty clean, but it works great, keeps the water a lot cleaner and no gunk in there, right? So for this, I'm literally putting 1 ounce a week. So this gives me 32 weeks. So not even 1 ounce. I use 2 of these caps. Pop it in there once a week, stir it up, and it's good. And this lets me have my ice bath run for 3 to 4 weeks, right? Now with the warm weather coming up, got my chiller set up. So this with the water's been sitting there warm. No putting ice stuff like that and past those days. Budget setup. I think this chiller is like $250, and it gets my water down to like 36 degrees even on hot summer days. And another upgrade to even bring the temperature down more I did now is this cover, polar protector. It's not cheap, but it is about 3 inches thick or so, and it did a great job in the winter keeping the surface ice off. Can't talk about the walls, but I'll do a full review on that as well. So that was my tip on that. Thanks for watching. Sorry if the video was a little long, but I guess I like talking. Check out all my other sauna build videos, all that, guys. And lots more to come as always. Thank you. And that's the setup. Full, water's chilling. I'm gonna pop our cover on. And we're good for the spring season. Thanks for watching, guys. Any questions, let me know. Check out all the other videos related to this and lots more on my how-to channel. Appreciate you.